Starting off, we've got the Electrostatic Pet Hair Remover Glove, the single-piece, reusable version. This one's built for people who want a no-fuss, reusable alternative to sticky lint rollers. It uses electrostatic technology, basically static electricity, to grab pet hair, lint, and dust off fabric with simple left-to-right strokes. No rolling, no pressing, no buying refill sheets ever again. It's made from a breathable mesh fabric, so your hand doesn't overheat while you're using it, and the 5-finger design gives you more control when you're working around furniture edges or seams. It's on the larger side too, at about 9.25 by 6.69 inches, which means fewer strokes to cover a couch cushion or a car seat. Where it lands at number 5 is really about versatility. It's fantastic for furniture, carpets, and clothing, but it's a single unit, not a pair, so if you're planning to use both hands at once for a bigger cleaning job, you'll want to keep that in mind. Still, for the price, it's a solid, reusable pickup that replaces a drawer full of sticky rollers.